You know, a lot of times we get the question, where can I go to practice these amazing CAD speed modeling skills? And the answer is you can practice right over at tootalltoby.com. In fact, we've taken these models from the tournament and we've been adding them to the library. So you see when we get in here to the practice models library, you can sort the library by most recent, and then you can practice modeling these parts over and over and over again, refining your workflows, improving your speed and efficiency in any 3D CAD system.
And my PB, you gotta help me here.
Yeah.
English is not my first language.
It says my PB walleye. So PB often means personal best. Walleye, I think, is a type of fish. And says was a fat 26.5 incher through the ice. So I'm thinking that's some type of an ice fishing reference. Oh. But I had to decipher that one as well.
Also very impressive. I like also fishing. I'm terrible at it. And you, my friend, are very good. 26.5 incher. That's big one.
Yeah, that is a very, very big one. And I think there's nothing else to do here except for go on to the next match. You know, it's going to be time for Cmoney to win 2 in a row, come back and advance into the semifinals, or Dom, if Dom can win this next one, then it's going to all be over and Dom's going to move into the semifinals. So let's see what happens here. Yeah. Good luck to both of our runners. And here we go into this next CAD vs. CAD battle. This one's going to be featuring Dom from the United States, our number 4 seed running SolidWorks, going up against Cmoney from Hong Kong, our number 7 seed running Onshape. This CAD vs. CAD battle begins in 3, 2, 1, go! And so the question here is, what is the mass of this part in XXX grams? And the tolerance is plus or minus 0.5 grams. And we can see this part is made from millimeters, ABS, 1020 kilograms per cubic meter. Both of our runners are jumping into their CAD system. Both of our runners are coming up with a game plan. Let's see how they do with this model. So look at this thing.
Let's see if they use the favorite feature of Metab.
Yeah.
Shout out to Metab.
Shout out to Metab. Very interesting. So we saw in the 2D drawing, this thing had a very clear, concise section view running through it. And so you would think that the obvious solution would be to do a revolve. And yet neither of our runners decided to do this with a revolve. Cmoney, interestingly, jumping into a sheet metal command, trying to take advantage of sheet metal to simplify those corners, while Dom on the left decided to do this with a series of extrusions. So completely different from how you and I probably would have done it.
I think so, yes. I think so, yes.
Yeah.
I mean, it's easy to judge when you're sitting and not doing it, and nobody's looking at your screen without making mistakes.
It's true. It's true.
I think I would do it a little bit differently, and I'm going to hold that until they both show their hands, and let's comment a little bit later on that.
Yeah.
These guys, the runners.
These guys were the ones that had to battle through to get here. So it's really, you know, what do we know, right?
But well, yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Really, really interesting to see both these guys approaching this in such a different way. And Dom, again, deciding to start out with a series of extrusions. Now, this is where it gets interesting, is how is he going to remove that excess geometry? So he's now at the point where he's kind of like in this second phase of the model. You know, the first phase is getting that initial series of shapes created, getting them all filleted out. Now, how's he going to create this second shape?
I'm gonna go on a limb and guess that he's gonna use the mirror command with some
wow planes. Yeah, was it that?
Yes, was indeed.
I don't know if that was a mirror, or if he did like a circular pattern or like a double mirror.
It's a double mirror, I think.
That was cool.
I think it's a double mirror using the 2 planes.
That was very cool.
Super cool.
So now he's created a new plane up top here. This is interesting. It's always interesting to see Dom working through these challenges. Okay, he adjusted his sketch.
Some troubleshooting there.
Yeah. Okay. I like it.
There you go.
And there you go. Yeah. Let's see what he ends up doing with this. Okay.
Cmoney catching up with that base.
Yes.
I guess doing it sheet metal, it's only... I think the thing to do is getting those flanges.
It looks like he abandoned that route. If you look at the tree, the sheet metal feature's not there anymore.
Yeah, I was wondering how can you do that sheet metal with... That's probably a stamping feature, not a base flange.
Yeah.
But I'm not familiar with Onshape, and I couldn't guess that.
Right. Yeah, the bend on a bend is always tricky.
Now Dom is doing circular pattern and sketch circular pattern. Nice one, Dom.
Very nice, very nice. Both of our runners really coming together here. Interesting. He's opting to sketch this geometry. Very nice. Yeah.
Guess he will use revolve, Cmoney?
Yeah, Cmoney is like really pulling out all the stops here.
Yeah.
Okay, and Dom adjusting his strategy there and switching to a chamfer. And it looks like he also kind of adjusted the way that cut was coming through. So it looks like Dom is coming up with a mass now. And we're going to see maybe another sub 5 minute run here. We're going to, okay, Dom comes in with an answer. 190 grams. And I'd say that is correct. And we have our first semi-finalist. A clean sweep indeed. And super impressive from both of our runners. Wow. Very, very cool to see both of our runners there. And just like last time, we see Cmoney was kind of right there, right at that kind of, I think he just kind of got caught up by those first couple of steps, that little fumble in the beginning. There we see the fish from Dom as well, confirming.
Nice fish, Dom.
Yes, very nice fish there, Dom. Yeah, so I think that maybe
amazing.
Yeah, maybe with Cmoney, it was just an issue with that. Decided to go with a sheet metal approach. I think maybe that didn't end up working out for him.
I think that's the restart got him with the time.
Yeah.
And Dom did it in sub 5 minutes, so.
Yeah, Dom has been
still very impressive for a student. I guess you showed very, very good skill in this tournament.
Yeah.
I know this is an elimination, but keep going, my friend. This is very good result for you.
Yeah, I really hope and really look forward to seeing Cmoney get back into it here in the future. And like you said, I think that he's shown that he's definitely got the skills. So GG to our winner, Dom. But really, let's make sure we put a GG in the chat to both of our runners. Super, super impressive there from both of our runners.